Hello, everyone. Today I want to shed the light on the intricate world of international healthcare systems. International healthcare is a critical issue that affects all people around the world. Access to quality healthcare is a basic human right, and it is important to all countries to work together to ensure that everyone has access to necessary healthcare. In this speech, I will argue for the importance of international cooperation in healthcare using the APA format, and I will also address the four Monroe's motivated sequence, which includes attention, need, satisfaction, and action. The issue of international health care is a pressing concern that impacts the lives of millions of people around the world. According to the World Health Organization, at least half of the world's population still lacks access to essential healthcare services. Many people with low and middle income countries are able to access basic healthcare services such as immunizations, inten, inten, intentional care, and treatment for common diseases. This lack of access to healthcare contributes to unnecessary suffering and premature deaths. The need for international cooperation in healthcare is evident. Many developing countries do not have the resources to provide adequate health care for their citizens. This leads to a range of health issues that could have been prevented with proper medical care. For example, lack of access to vaccines can lead to widespread outbreaks of preventable diseases. Additionally, many people with developing countries cannot afford necessary medical treatments, leading to increase of mortality rates. The global community has a responsibility to address these inequalities and assure that everyone has access to essential healthcare services. There are many successful services for international cooperation in healthcare what have led to positive outcomes. For instance, World Health Organization's global polio education inactive has made significant progress in eliminating polio in many countries. This inactive has been possible through the collaboration of various nations and organizations working together to provide vaccines and healthcare services at risk of populations. Additionally, organizations such as Doctors Without Borders and Red Cross, have essential medical care to people in crisis situations, regardless of their nationality. These examples show that international cooperation in healthcare can lead to significant improvements in well-being of people around the world. To address the need for international cooperations in healthcare, it is essential for governments and organizations to work together to provide funding for resources for healthcare initiatives in developing countries. Additionally, partners among the countries and organizations help to improve access to vaccines, medical treatments, and healthcare services for people in need. This is also important for wealthier countries to support international healthcare initiatives throughout financial and technical assistance. By taking these actions, we can work towards a world where people can access to quality health care regardless of where they live. In conclusion, the international cooperation in healthcare is essential for addressing the global health disparities that exist today. By working together, countries and organizations can make significant progress by improving access to healthcare for all people around the world. It is imperative that we take action to ensure that everyone has an opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling life.